Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 1. Write the following numbers in the given table. Here you see how many tens are there? 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens, right? Here you can count also 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? So 3 tens, that means you can write here in the table that it is 3, right? Therefore you can write here also, that is in the tens table you can write 3, right? Therefore in the tens table you can write 3, right? In ones place only 1 is there, that is 1, and in tenth 2 is there, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? There will be 2, right? Now here you see question number B, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 1. Therefore it is, and in first case A, how many hundreds? 0 is 0 hundreds is there. We can write as 0, right? In question number B, how many hundreds are there? Question is 100. Therefore we can write 1, right? How many tens is there? 1 tens, 1 tens, and there is no ones, means 0 ones. And how many tens are there? 4 tens. That is 4 tens, right? This is the way you have to write the number in the given table. This is 10 means, and what will be the value of this number? How can I write in decimal? You have to write in this way, that this number is 31.2, and this number you can write in this way, that 110.4, right? In this way you can find. The question was, write the following as numbers in the given table, right? You have to count the number of tens, number of ones and number of tens, and write the number in the figure, right? In question number B, how many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 0. How many tens? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In this way you can write the numbers. This is the solution of question number 1.